Morning people, just been away for a weekend with young JB. We're at this pub here, stayed the night. And I've been talking to Justin and wants to organise a ride. Tell us about your ride, Justin.
It's called Get Out of the Garage for those people that are in a garage, and it's also for the people who know someone in a garage. It's for both parties.
The people are a bit stuck in a rut.
A bit stuck in a rut, and also people who may know someone or a loved one, know someone stuck in a rut, both sides, and that. So that
might have a bike in a shed they haven't ridden for a while.
Yep, cars are welcome, right? Cars are welcome, right? Obviously the cars will have to be at the back, but there'll be I'll tell everyone which route we're going, and that, so the cars can either stay the shortcut or follow us. It's up to yourselves. But we're meeting at it's 8 o'clock, all right? 8 o'clock, and leave it. No, yeah, 10. Yeah,
make it 10 o'clock.
All right, so we meet at 8 o'clock, leave at 10, and it's from Moto GC on Settlement Road in Thomastown. That's Glenn's shop, and Mick now owns it. So we're starting from there, and then we'll go from there down into Diamond Creek, right? And then up along the, I think it's the Christmas Hills into Yarra Glen, and then from Yarra Glen into Hillsville, and we'll stop at the bakery, and then everyone from there, right, can take your own ride. You can go Warburton, up Black Spur, or you can go through to Yea. That's when you can take your own ride to enjoy the day out of the garage.
Make your way home, yeah.
Make your way home, yeah. All right? Yeah. No money, no raising of money, no nothing of that. It's
just a gathering of like-minded people.
Yeah.
For a good idea.
Yeah. Just get out of the garage.
So JB, you'll put a thing up on the Facebook.
Yeah, I'll put a thing on my Facebook
and
a video as well.
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
See ya.
All right. See ya. Chicken chow mein.
Go get a pie. Chicken chow mein.